And this is me. Well, not me right now. This is me. And yeah, that's me too. And of course, me again. And just me, living like a rock star. When I was 3, my parents decided to move our lives from Nigeria to Rhode Island, leaving my brothers behind. This is where I grew up, went to dance classes, ate popsicles, played at the park. You know what kids do when they grow up. This is where I graduated college, earned my degree that I don't use like everybody else. My brothers did later on join us, and I have 3 beautiful nieces. Rhode Island is where I became who I am today. They're my greatest friends, and just became me. Recently, I decided to move from Rhode Island to Florida. A big life change, leaving everything I knew behind. But here you are, on this journey with me. Good and bad, ugly and pretty, tears and all, and I'm so excited for you to see what I do next. So grab a seat and welcome into my life. Hey y'all, welcome to our apartment tour. A couple weeks ago on my Instagram, I asked my followers, what can't they compromise in an apartment? And we got a total of 412 votes. Let's go through that. We're going to start off the tour with our kitchen. This is a beautiful, beautiful kitchen, which is probably what sold us the most in this apartment. 16% of people said they can't live without stainless steel appliances, and luckily for me, I have that. We have this beautiful Whirlpool double fridge, microwave, and this beautiful stove. We have all this freaking cabinet space that I can't even freaking reach, so I'm not sure what's going up there. We have this nice large sink. We have an in-unit dishwasher that I probably won't use because I'm mad African. But yeah, this is the kitchen. Very beautiful island right in the middle. We do have an open floor plan, so our living room is right there. 16% of people said they can't live without wood flooring, and luckily for me again, we have that. We have these beautiful 12-feet ceilings, and every room has a ceiling fan. 12% of people said they can't live without large windows. Thankfully again, I have that for the beautiful natural sunlight. And about 56% of people said they can't live without an in-house washer and dryer. And I have that. So that was kind of a trick question for everyone because all the things that I listed, we do have. We do have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This is the first bathroom with the, tall shower. Nice, comfortable cabinet spaces in there, and the sink's pretty decent sized. And next we have the first bedroom. The bedroom might be used for like a multi-purpose room, like an office or a filming room, stuff like that. It is still in the works. We do have a walk-in closet in here, so a lot of the stuff can fit in here, whether it be a closet for Nixon or a closet for just regular stuff. Bathroom number 2 is the master bathroom. This is the bathroom that has a tub in it, a lot of storage space, a lot of freaking storage space. I have a whole entire shelf of just stuff there. This is just starting off, so now none of this stuff will be permanently here. This is just some stuff to get us started. This is my self-care / makeup / whatever I put there cabinet. A large tub, and right in that room over there is actually a closet. This is another walk-in closet. I get into it so you can see it literally is a walk-in closet. That's my closet, still putting some stuff up. So yeah, this is bedroom number 2. It's kind of hard to show you the size of the bedroom, but it's pretty decent size. And this is the bed. That was a pretty fast tour, and I know you guys probably want more in-depth stuff, but that will come later on. But thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next video.